is Ethan and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we're going to review a Lego Scooby Doo set. The set name is Mummy Museum Mystery. So yeah, it has 110 pieces, 5 to 12, small parts not for children under 3 years. Here's the instructions. It's set 75900. It has $39 pages. Here are the minifigures. Shaggy. Here's the back of Shaggy. And here's the back of his face. Lego did do a good job on Shaggy. Now for Mummy. The back, second face. They did a good job on Mummy. Scooby. Head can rotate. Head can come off. Nothing else movable except for the tail. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. Here's the actual set itself. Says 1922 with the person, explorer, and there's just some lines trying to simulate riding in a gym. Can lift this up with a hamburger. Hamburger, oh yummy, yummy hamburger, but really gross. You can open up this and there'll be 3 gems. I only have 2 and they're different colors because I'm using the others for other things. The real colors are red and blue. So I don't think there's anything else to tell you in this video. There is lights that you can move around. But I think that's all for this video. So yeah, see you next time.